from S&S, and today I'm going to show you how to create a print using scratch foam board. So what I have done previously is prepared an artwork, and with the artwork we're just going to place it on top of our foam board and transfer the image. So with this you just use a pen and then you can just draw over the lines that you've already made. Just use a little bit of pressure just so that when you take the paper off there'll be an indentation. I'm just going to stop there so you can see the indentation in the plate. So then you get your scratch foam stick and then you go over the indentations. And then you're creating a deeper scratch into the plate so the ink won't go into that. The ink will sit on top because this is going to be a relief print. It's quite simple to carve into. Okay, I'm going to stop there and just move on to the two plates that I have prepared before. So once you've finished your plate, then we're going to ink it up and print it. Now I'm going to show you two different methods. One method is going to be using basic acrylic paint and a foam roller. This is good, but you have to work a little bit quicker because it will dry quicker because there's no drying retarder in there. So we'll just ink up the plate now that we've got our indentations. Now I've used two colours because this just gives your print a little bit more interest. Just mixing them, blending them a little bit on the inking plate and then ink up. You can use a wider foam roller. Then we're going to move our plate over to a clean section and then we're going to print it. So just pick up a piece of paper, place it on the top and using your hand, just rub quite firmly to transfer the paint. At this stage you could use a clean brayer or you can even use the back of a wooden spoon. Use a fair bit of pressure so you can see the lines come through on the paper. Then carefully peel the paper back and there you have your scratch foam print using acrylic paint. Then the second one is using block printing ink. Now block printing ink, you have a longer time to use it because it doesn't dry as quick. So with another plate, we're going to use the two colours again and we will ink up. This is a lot thicker, so it's a little bit easier to apply. Then we push that onto the clean section of the table. And then with another clean piece of paper, and then we're going to ink, print. Using the palm of your hand again, just rub. And there's your print. So that's how you create a print using this scratch foam board.